Good morning, hello, I'm Lisa, and today I have got the Time to Bloom, the June Lollipop Box Club unboxing for you. Gosh, that was a lot to say then. So I'm going to show you the unboxing. I've also got the planner set, and I've also got some traveler's notebooks, some pages in my creative journal that I'm going to share with you that I've made using this kit today as well. And I've also got the add-ons, so I just hope I remember it all. I've got it all laid out on my desk, so fingers crossed it will go smoothly. So this is the kit. About to start kit packing. The kits leave on the 17th of each month. You start off with a postcard in the front there, and the kit papers, the tissues and everything, it all kind of obviously coordinates. You've got a zine in there which gives you information about the kit. It gives you some DIY tips. Also a sneak of the kit that's coming up next month. There's quite a few bits and pieces, but I'll take a few bits out because I want there to be surprises. This month there is no planner clip, but we have got this beautiful crocheted flower. I've got a light above me, so it's a bit reflective on the packaging there. Really excited. If you really want a clip, I know lots of you have so many clips now. You can always just pop a large paper clip on the back, and you've instantly got your planner clip. And because I'm a fan of reusing the packaging, and remind me, I need to tell you something else about that as well, you can use the back of the packaging there as well, so you don't need to throw it away. And always keep the little plastic bags as well. You can reuse them, use them for shaker pockets, anything like that. Absolutely everything in this box, including the box, can be reused. For example, you could even cut out the design there, take it out. It's just, I've just put a little bit of sticky on each side, take it out and reuse that. There's always so many ways to reuse the packaging. Again, all the paper bags, you can reuse them. Treat bag in the kit, you've got 2 treat bags this month. I did sneak one out there at the start. We've also got a really fun DIY kit, something that I haven't actually done before, and I'm excited for you to try. Again, I'm not going to show you. That's the whole idea with this unboxing. If you haven't watched my unboxings before, because I make the kits, and because they haven't gone out yet, I don't want to show you everything. I want to keep some surprises for you. The team will be being sent their kits this week, and a couple of them do actually show full unboxings, so I can link those videos to you. Actually, I'll link the girls below so you can go and take a look when they get their kits, but I want you to have surprises as well. This month we are collaborating with Little Rainbow Moon. I want you to get a good look at that washi tape. Isn't that beautiful? Jo from Little Rainbow Moon, she makes everything based on her own design. So this was originally a watercolor painting that she's had turned into washi tape. It's such a beautiful fit with this kit, and I'm very excited that you're going to be each receiving a roll of this kit. There will be add-ons for sale. So for example, if you want extra washi, if you want extra stickers, die cuts, if you want an additional stamp, maybe you want to gift one, something like that, there's certain parts of the kit that you can buy extra. There's no additional postage, they just get popped in your kit. You've got a lollipop there. This is the stamp in this month's kit. It's from Emily from Skull and Crossbuns. Really love that idea. It's like a nice modern stamp there. There's a little, this is the gift this month. I've just popped it. I've made little envelopes to pop it into. We've got some tags. Shall I show you these? I'm really excited about these. The tags and the die cuts are from Happy Scatter. Aren't they cute? And then here's your pack of die cuts, and I say it every month, always my favorite part of the kit. I'll just show you a few of them here. So you've got like Love Life, we've got Hello, and we've got some tabs, we've got flowers, that word says bloom. Oh, more leaves are on the kit. We've got Be You. This kit is all about self-care, looking after yourself, just making sure you prioritize and give yourself a little bit of time each week. That's what we've been focusing on in the group. There's loads of die cuts there. I've just dropped a load of them just to give you a rough idea of what's there. But yes, the Lollipop chat group, everyone is welcome to join. Come and join us. The link is below. And like I said, this month we've been focusing on self-care and just trying to make sure that we actually plan a little bit of time for ourselves into the week schedule. These are the stickers for this month. Again, I love these. These are from Anna from Mrs. Brimbles. She designs our exclusive stickers. Aren't they amazing? Loads there. And then we've got the papers. I've got the papers to one side here to show you. We have something different this month. I've designed some of the papers myself. Now, usually the papers go lengthways, but actually you want to switch them around there sideways. This month we've got the flowers there. And you get 2 of each design, and they're really thick and sturdy. I've painted leaves on this one, and I've got stripes on this one. We've got a polka dot, and then we've got like a hand washed pale pink as well. And you also get some of this week as well, so you can do your planning. And we've also got lists, a couple of lists in the treat bag. You'll also get an embellishment postcard, which you can cut out, although Corianne guest designed for us last month, and she actually stuck the whole postcard into her traveller's notebook and used it as a whole. That was last month, so I was really impressed with that idea. I've also designed this for you. This is, you can cut it in 2 if you want to, and use them as journal cards. I've decided to keep it as a 1 just in case you want to keep them together, so you can journal, but you could always cut out the frame, and I have actually done that in my traveller's notebook, so I'll show you in a second. But there's quite a few ways you can use this card. Like I said, you could cut that out, you could cut the middle bit out, use it as a frame, and then use the pink as a frame, use the arrows at the bottom. There's lots of different ways you can use that, but I did decide to keep it as a whole just so you've got a bit more choice. But that is the kit. Like I said, I haven't showed you everything in it, but it gives you a very good idea of what you are receiving. Let me know, what's your favourite item in this kit? What are you most looking forward to? And if you don't get the kits, what was your favourite item that you saw? I would love to know. I will just quickly show you what I've made with the kit. All of these have been on the blog and also on our Instagram and Facebook pages. Again, all of those links are below. I created this page here. I did a little DIY. I'll link up the blog post below on how to make these really easy leaves using watercolour paper and paints. You can see there how that's the flowered paper, how I've used a scallop punch, and then I've just used the bottom there of this here, and I've also used bits from the postcard there as well. I've just used that as a whole at the bottom, and I've used die cuts, and I've used the stickers, and I've used obviously the kit papers as well there. This page here, I've got my watercolours out here. I've used the washi tape, I've used die cuts, I've actually made bunting from pieces from the kit as well. There's a DIY about that on the in the zine. I've also used the stencil here. This is an add-on this month. It was actually in a kit last year, but obviously not everybody will have had that kit. I think it was maybe June time, something like that. So I'm using them as add-ons this month in case you didn't get one. And I've just used that over the watercolours with a chalk, and it's come out really nicely. But obviously you can use it with any medium. I haven't stuck my washi on very well there. But here you can see I've used the frame here. I've taken a craft knife to cut the frame out. So I've used the pink as a frame there and popped my photo in. But then the centerpiece, like a little Polaroid, I've used there with the hello as well. I've used other bits from the kit. Everything here is from the kit, obviously apart from the watercolor paints. So again, it gives you a nice idea of what's coming. And then last one, I also created this page here. I've got my journaling across there. I've used the washi. I did those DIY leaves again, and I've used the paper there from the kit going across. Pieces again from the embellishment postcard, and I've used the stickers and die cuts. I'm really happy with this page here as well. I do have a link to a video where I created this, so I will link that up below for you. But that's 3 pages that I've made using the kit, and I've still got more ideas as well, so keep a lookout for those. So I'll just go on to the add-ons now. Like I said, things like the stickers, treat bags, DIY, loads of things like that you can buy as extra. But there's also some additional pieces that aren't in the kit that I'm going to show you. We've got a packet of leaves. No, we haven't. A packet of flowers. Loads and loads of different paper flowers. There's absolutely loads in these bags for the glassine bag full of flowers. Absolutely loads in there. Got this cute little embellishment here. Little daisy to match with the kit. Now I don't hold loads and loads of these items. Some items there's only a few, so you need to get in there quick if there's something that you want. We've got a really nice hot pink highlighter pen this month, the daisy stencil that I've already shared with you. We've got the July planner stickers. These come with the planner kits, but if you don't get the planner kits, you can buy the stickers on their own separately. I know lots of you like to do that. And then we've also got Simple Stories TN, a creative journal here, a docket journal. I absolutely love these journals, and these are the ones that I use that I've just been showing you. I use these all the time. So these are the add-ons this month. And then finally the July planner pages. I've added a little tab there on the side of mine using one of the stickers. I haven't actually written in it properly. I haven't filled it out, but I have added some stickers and a few little bits and pieces in here already. And I made a tassel to go on the top there, but so you can just see the planner pages. You've got like important dates, monthly goals, mustn't forget. This is where I will fill out for my menu and my cleaning schedule. You've then got your weekly spread there, and you have one obviously for each day of the month, or each week of the month even. You've got notes, and you've got this week's plans, and that goes obviously for the whole of the month. They're just $8.95, lovely quality, and that sets you up for the whole month. So that is your July planner pack as well. So I think that's everything. Lots to show you this month. I think I've covered everything. I should have made myself a list. Yeah, I think that was it. So thank you so much for watching today. I really hope that you've enjoyed watching this video. I hope that you're excited about this kit as well. Like I said, it's about to be packed and it leaves on Monday the 17th. I have just a few kits left now. This kit's sold really well. If you would like to grab a kit, you can subscribe still to receive at the discounted price until the 16th of June, but the one-offs are also available if you'd just like to try one. I will actually give you a discount code. It's Bloom, and that will give you £3 off a one-off kit if you want to go and try one. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and like I said, let me know which was your favourite item in this month's kit. Please do share this video if you think a friend or family member would enjoy it, and you can go and find me on Instagram. I'm Lollipop Box Club for all the creative stuff, and if you would like to follow the personal account, I'm The Funky Fairy, and you've got lots of crafty stuff, home stuff, more about my private life, Disney, and all that kind of thing. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful Wednesday, and I will see you on Friday with a family vlog. Take care. Bye.